Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is 2t plus 3 divided by t and the whole power is 2t plus 3, that equal 1024 divided by 3125. You have to find the value of t. So we will start solving this question as we will consider let 2t plus 3 divided by t equals x. So in the next step, we will write this as this will become x, or first we have to solve this further as take whole is divided by whole power is divided by t. This side is also divided by t, and 10243125 and its whole power is also 1 by t. Now this and this are same, so this is the x, so this will become x and it will equals power is also 1 by x, or this is x. So we have equals 1024 by 3125 and its power will be equals 1 by t. Now we will solve this further, that this will become equals t raised x raised to power x and 10243125. Now we will solve this 2t plus 3 by t equals x. 2t by t plus 3 by t equals x. Now we will solve this as divide all sides by 3. We get t and t is cancel out, 2 plus 3 by t equals x. Then take the LCM of this, it will become t, 2t plus 3 equals x. Then it will become equals, you have to find the value of 1 by t. For this purpose, we will solve this to find the value of t. So this will become t equals 2t plus 3 and its power will be, or we will solve this in a more easy way, that this will become 2 plus 3 by t equals x. Now this 2 is subtracted here, we get 3 by t equals x minus 2. Then t is multiplied here, it will be divided, so 1 by t equals x minus 2 divided by 3. Substitute this value here. This side has x power x and this side has 1024 divided by 3125 and 1 by t equals x minus 2 by 3. Now what will be the next step? We will solve this as we will interchange this and get values x raised to power x and 1024 or 3125 divided by 1024 and its power will be x minus 2 by 3. So, and whole power will be minus 1 because we have interchanged this, then minus is multiplied. So x raised to power x equals 3125 by 1024 and that equals x is multiplied, so 2 minus x divided by 3. Now in the next step we will solve this as take the whole power is 3 by 2 minus x. Reason is that we have to cancel out this, So 3125 divided by 1024 and its power is 2 minus x by 3 times 3 by 2 minus x. This and this are cancel out. This and this are cancel out. You have x raised to power x into 3 minus 2 minus x equals 3125 by 1024. Now we will solve this further as we will make a change here that we will multiply this and get x raised to power 3 of x by 2 minus x. 3125 is 5 power 5 and 1024 is 4 power 5. Now we can solve this as this will become, solve this further here, that we have x raised to power 3x by 2 minus x, that equals 5 by 4. Its power is 5. So we will multiply and divide this by 3 by 4 by 3 by 4. So this will become equals 3 into 5 by 4 and its power can be write as, when we solve this further, 3 into 5 by 4, we can write this as, then reason is that 3 by 4 equals 8 minus 5 by 4. So this will equals, because 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3 by 4 equals 8 by 4 minus 5 by 4. 3 by 4 is 2 by 2 minus 5 by 4. So in the denominator 2 minus 5 by 4. Now we can see that this side had x raised to power 3 of x by 2 minus x. This side has 5 by 4 same as x equals 5 by 4. Now power is 3. 3 in place of x we have 5 by 4. In the denominator in place of x we have 5 by 4. So comparing gives us the value of x, that will be 5 by 4. Now if x is 5 by 4, you have to find the value of t. So how we will solve this? Write this here 5 by 4. So we write 2t plus 3 by t equals x, that is 5 by 4. Cross multiply 4 into 2t plus 3 equals 5t. 8t will equals 5t. 8t minus 5t equals minus 12. So 3t equals minus 12, then t equals minus 4. So the value of t will be minus 4. Now we will do the verification. Is our answer is correct or not? So verify this. 2 into t is minus 4 plus 3 divided by minus 4. Whole power is 2 into minus 4 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. Minus 4. Its power is minus 2 into 4 is 8 minus 5. So minus minus are cancel out. 5 by 4. Its power is minus 5. So it is 4 power 5 by 5 power 5. That is again 1024 by 3125 equals right hand side. It's mean our solution is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned.